Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by verifying the basics so the change takes effect immediately. Make sure your Fire TV stick is powered, signed into the right Amazon account, and on Wi-Fi. Once ready, press Home on the remote, then move right to the Settings gear icon. This gets you into System Options. Depending on your device model, you'll see Preferences or Display and Sounds. Open whichever appears. This first step puts you where language controls live, so you can change audio rather than guessing from inside an app. Once playback has started, you're focused on the app's audio track, not system language. Use the remote to reveal the playback overlay, press Menu or an up arrow, then select Audio or Languages. You'll see available audio tracks. Choose the one you want. Make sure the app supports multiple tracks. Some content only has one language. After selecting, give it a second to switch. Once done, audio should play in the chosen language, while subtitles remain independently adjustable, if needed. If the app doesn't offer an audio track, change the device language in Settings. Go to Preferences, then Language, and pick the closest match. This affects menus and some app behavior. If the new track doesn't apply, restart the app or reboot the Fire TV stick to clear caches. Make sure the streaming app is updated. As a troubleshooting tip, if audio still fails, toggle closed captions off and on, or reinstall the app. That often restores missing language options quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.